Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through new tricks to get 3D ringtones on your mobile phone. So to get 3D ringtones on your mobile phone, you need to just install an app. So for that, go to Play Store and just download Jets. Just install this app. It has over 500 million downloads. Now after installing this app, just launch this app. Click on accept and continue. Here you can see ringtones, click on it. You can select Bollywood, Premium, Home, Categories. Click on Categories in the top. You can select the category of the ringtone. Just like if you select hip hop, you will find so many ringtones in the hip hop section. Just click on like this one. You can just put any of these to your ringtone. Click on this download icon, and by clicking set ringtone, it will be set on your ringtone, and you can just select the 3D ringtone from here. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.